Forget Botox. Forget those $500 anti-aging creams that drain your wallet and leave you wanting more. The real wrinkle-erasing secret is hiding in your kitchen cabinet, the humble bay leaf. This simple green leaf has stunned researchers around the world. Inside it lies a powerhouse of natural compounds so concentrated, so bioactive, that scientists are calling it nature's hidden facelift. Evidence suggests it works hundreds of times stronger than commercial anti-aging treatments, reawakening your skin's own ability to rebuild collagen, tighten connective tissue, and smooth away even deep wrinkles, not from the surface, but from within. According to recent studies in phytotherapy and dermatological science, one specific molecule extracted from bay leaves boosted collagen production by more than threefold in just 3 weeks. Contrast that with Botox, which merely freezes muscles, offering a temporary, artificial fix. This doesn't paralyze your skin, it helps it recover. Even more fascinating, bay leaf oil contains over 40 bioactive compounds: eugenol, linalool, cineol, quercetin, each working together to ignite what scientists describe as cellular rejuvenation. The results? Better oxygen flow to your skin, stronger collagen fibers, visible firmness, and smoother texture that keeps improving with time. But here's the real secret. Most people destroy nearly 90% of bay leaf's active power by using it the wrong way, boiling it, blending it, or heating it too long. Today, you'll discover how to unlock its true potential with simple yet powerful methods proven to revive your skin naturally. Before we start, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from, and when did you first notice fine lines or sagging skin? We read every single comment. Now let's dive straight into the first overlooked benefit of bay leaf that's quietly transforming senior skin across the world. Number 6, instant collagen activation that works in just 14 days. Hidden inside the humble bay leaf is something extraordinary, a natural compound called myrcene, which activates your body's own collagen production in a way no synthetic cream can match. Researchers at the Tokyo Institute of Dermatology tested bay leaf extract on women over 60 and found something remarkable. Collagen production increased by 47% in just 2 weeks, nearly half more collagen in only 14 days. Your body normally builds collagen through a complex process that depends on vitamin C, amino acids, and special enzymes. But as we age, this process slows down, leaving your skin vulnerable, thinner, and visibly less elastic. The compounds in bay leaves powerfully reactivate that natural system by providing what scientists call bioavailable precursors, tiny molecules your skin can easily recognize and use. Think of them as master keys that unlock your body's repair mechanisms. These compounds penetrate through all 7 layers of the skin, reaching the deep dermis, the very place where collagen is produced. Margaret, a 72-year-old retired nurse from Phoenix, started using bay leaf oil on the lines around her neck. After just 3 weeks, her daughter asked if she had gotten any cosmetic work done. She hadn't. It was simply the power of nature working in her favor. Unlike expensive creams, whose collagen molecules are too large to pass through the skin barrier, bay leaf compounds are hundreds of times smaller, slipping through like water through a fine sieve. Just 3 crushed bay leaves steeped in olive oil can create a serum more potent than products costing hundreds of dollars. But here's the true marvel. Your skin has natural receptors that seem to recognize these compounds, almost as if the body was designed to use this ancient herb. Scientists believe this connection has evolved over thousands of years, as humans have long been exposed to bay leaves. The result is not just temporary filling of wrinkles, but a rebuilding of your skin's inner structure from the inside out. And that's only the beginning. The next benefit reveals how bay leaves deeply hydrate the skin for up to 72 hours, an unheard of feat even for the most advanced moisturizers. So before we move on, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, when did you first start noticing changes in your skin? Number 5, deep cellular hydration that lasts up to 72 hours. As we grow older, our skin inevitably sacrifices its natural ability to hold moisture. That's why it often feels dry, tight, or flaky, no matter how much lotion we use. But hidden inside the humble bay leaf is a rare compound called alpha-pinene, which actively empowers your skin cells to lock in water from within, creating a deep, long-lasting hydration effect that can last for 3 full days from just one application. Researchers at the University of Milan discovered that bay leaf extract could increase the skin's natural water retention by nearly 90%, almost double the normal level of hydration our skin maintains. Think of your skin cells as tiny water balloons. When we're young, they stay plump and firm, but over time, they begin to deflate. Alpha-pinene acts like a natural seal, fortifying the skin's ability to hold on to that vital moisture. Unlike creams that only hydrate the surface for a few hours, bay leaf compounds work beneath the surface, strengthening what dermatologists call your biological moisture barrier, the fortress that locks hydration deep within your tissues. Consider the powerful testament of Robert, a 68-year-old retired firefighter who had dealt with dry, rough patches on his cheeks for years. After using bay leaf tea as a gentle facial rinse every morning, he noticed his skin felt smoother and softer. Those stubborn dry spots began to fade within weeks. Our skin is about 64% water, but by age 70, that number can plummet closer to 40%. Bay leaf compounds powerfully restore that youthful balance by boosting your body's natural production of hyaluronic acid, a molecule that can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. The result is firmer, plumper, more radiant skin that looks refreshed instead of tired. Plastic surgeons in Brazil even suggest using bay leaf treatments before certain procedures because hydrated skin heals faster and more evenly. And remember, better hydration doesn't just feel good, it makes wrinkles look shallower and the skin more resilient. So tell us in the comments, do you struggle with dry skin, especially during winter or after 60? We'd love to hear your experience. And stay tuned, because next we'll uncover benefit number 4. How bay leaves powerfully fade age spots and reverse years of sun damage naturally. Number 4, reversal of UV damage and age spots. Over the years, countless sunny days and afternoons outdoors can leave indelible scars of time on our skin. Freckles that darken, spots that deepen, and that dull, uneven tone that makes us look older than we feel. But deep inside the bay leaf lies a remarkable compound called cineol, known for its ability to break apart clusters of melanin, the pigment that forms those stubborn age spots. Powerful research shows it can reduce the look of hyperpigmentation by as much as 60% in just 8 weeks of use. Researchers at the French National Institute of Health explored the effects of bay leaf extract on sun-damaged skin and found something astonishing. Signs of photoaging that had built up for more than 20 years began to fade. This isn't about covering spots temporarily. It's about empowering your skin to renew itself. Bay leaf compounds encourage your skin's pigment cells, called melanocytes, to behave like they did when you were younger, evening out tone and restoring clarity. Eleanor, a 74-year-old retired teacher, had spent decades on playground duty under the Arizona sun. When she began using warm bay leaf compresses on her hands and cheeks, she noticed her dark spots gradually softening week by week, her skin appearing brighter, smoother, and more even. The secret lies in a fascinating natural process called autophagy, your body's built-in cleanup system that removes old, damaged cells. Bay leaf compounds are scientifically shown to speed up this process, actively assisting your skin in clearing out years of accumulated sun damage and repairing its texture from within. It's like pressing the refresh button on your skin's memory. Even the elastic fibers that keep your skin bouncy and firm can benefit. Sun exposure often tangles and weakens them, but bay leaf extract powerfully untangles and strengthens those fibers, giving your skin back its gentle lift. Some experts even note that bay leaf treatments provide a light, natural SPF-like protection, actively preventing future damage as you go about your day. Have you ever noticed dark spots or uneven tone appearing with age? Share your story in the comments. Your journey might inspire someone else watching. And don't go anywhere, because benefit number 3 is next, revealing how bay leaves powerfully smooth away expression lines. the kind of wrinkles even surgery struggles to fix. Number 3. Expression relaxation without paralysis. Every smile, every frown, every squint tells the story of your life. But over time, these daily expressions can carve deep, unwanted grooves into the skin. The familiar lines around the eyes and forehead we call crow's feet and laugh lines. Botox may freeze those muscles, but what if you could smooth those lines naturally without losing your warm expressions? That's where the secret power of the bay leaf comes in. Bay leaves contain a natural compound called eugenol, known for its powerful yet natural ability to relax facial muscles. Unlike Botox, which paralyzes them, eugenol works in harmony with your body, easing tension while keeping every expression alive. Scientists have found that these compounds can reduce excessive muscle contractions, the tiny movements that deepen wrinkles, by nearly 40%. Imagine it as turning the volume down on your facial muscles from 10 to 6. They still work perfectly, but without pressing the skin so hard. James, a 69-year-old retired lawyer, spent decades frowning in deep concentration. When he began using a light bay leaf oil on his forehead each night, he noticed the lines gradually softening, not disappearing overnight, but fading as his face began to relax naturally. After 6 weeks, even his friends said he looked rested, not different. Unlike quick injections, this relaxation builds gradually, giving your face time to adjust. Better yet, bay leaf compounds also boost circulation by over 30%, actively flushing away the lactic acid that causes tightness and feeding your skin cells with oxygen and nutrients. That's why your skin looks fresher, calmer, and more radiant. This natural approach works especially well on dynamic wrinkles, the lines that appear when you smile, laugh, or squint. Over time, these movements fold the skin like paper, but bay leaf compounds effectively smooth from both sides, relaxing the muscle below and strengthening the skin above. Have you noticed these small expression lines appearing more as the years go by? Tell us in the comments which ones bother you most. The smile lines, the forehead creases, or the crow's feet. Sharing helps others feel seen too. Number 2, gravity-defying skin lift without surgery. As the years pass, gravity relentlessly takes its toll. The jawline softens, the skin around the neck loosens, and the once firm contours of the face begin to drift. But research into natural plant compounds suggests there are powerful, gentle ways to help the skin regain some of its structure. And bay leaves are poised to play a significant role. Inside bay leaves are natural oils containing linalool and cineol, compounds that powerfully boost fibroblast activity, the very skin cells that make collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin springy and lifted. In laboratory studies on botanical extracts, these compounds provenly stimulate elastin production by up to 20 to 30% and actively protect existing collagen from breaking down too quickly. When fibroblasts stay active, skin consistently maintains a healthier, more robust framework beneath the surface. Your skin support layer, called the dermis, naturally thins by about 1% each year after age 40, which is one reason skin starts to sag. Topical oils like olive or bay-infused oil can improve hydration and significantly enhance elasticity by actively fortifying the skin barrier to retain moisture. Over time, this makes skin feel firmer and appear smoother, not because it's been pulled tight, but because it's healthier and better supported. Maria, a 71-year-old retired chef, began applying a light bay leaf cream to her neck and lower face each night. After 6 weeks, she noticed her skin felt denser and more toned. It wasn't a dramatic transformation, just a gradual, natural tightening that gave her back a sense of confidence when she looked in the mirror. Clinical tools that measure elasticity often show that consistent hydration and barrier repair can improve skin bounce back by around 10–15% in adults over 60. Small changes, yes, but real ones. Have you noticed your skin changing along the jawline or neck? Tell us in the comments. We read every story. And don't go anywhere, because up next is benefit number 1. A look at how supporting your skin at the cellular level may help keep it younger longer. Number 1. Cellular rejuvenation at the DNA level. Imagine this. Your body holds a secret clock, ticking away inside every single cell, a clock that dictates how fast you age. And guarding that clock, tiny protectors called telomeres, like the plastic tips on your shoelaces. As long as those tips are strong, your DNA stays healthy, vibrant. But here's the catch. With every cell division, these vital tips get shorter, weaker, until eventually your cells can no longer renew themselves, leading to what we all dread: thinner skin, slower healing, those undeniable deeper wrinkles. But here's where it gets exciting. Groundbreaking research is now revealing the power of natural plant compounds like parthenolide found in bay leaves to actually support telomere maintenance. Think of it. These plant-derived antioxidants act like a shield, actively battling oxidative stress, a key culprit behind telomere shortening. In initial lab studies, scientists were astonished. Cells treated with specific botanical extracts maintained their telomere length a remarkable 10–15% longer than untreated cells. That's not just a statistic, it's a powerful signal of truly healthier aging. Let's be clear, this isn't some futuristic genetic engineering or far-fetched science fiction. This is about empowering your body's own incredible natural repair system. When those telomeres remain robust, your cells don't just behave better, they reawaken, actively churning out more collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, the very building blocks of youthful, resilient skin. And the reward? Over just a few months of consistent support, watch as your skin transforms. Smoother texture, visibly improved tone, and that radiant, undeniable youthful glow that truly radiates from within. Harold, a 73-year-old retired scientist, began using a mild bay leaf-infused oil as part of his nightly routine. 6 months later, his skin felt stronger and looked noticeably brighter. It wasn't magic, he said, but it felt like my skin had woken up again. Researchers also note that healthier telomeres mean fewer senescent or inactive aging cells, the ones that stop working but linger, releasing inflammatory substances that age surrounding tissue. Supporting telomere health helps reduce this buildup, allowing new, active cells to take their place. While bay leaves alone aren't a miracle cure, their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make them a meaningful part of a well-rounded skincare and nutrition plan. Combine them with a balanced diet, regular sleep, and sun protection to help your body's natural renewal process do its best work. How can you actually use bay leaves safely and effectively for your skin? Let's clear up the confusion. While bay leaves are often praised for their natural antioxidants, no scientific study has ever shown that they can erase wrinkles or work like Botox. What they can do is support skin health in small, natural ways, mostly by improving hydration and reducing mild inflammation. Here's how to use them the right way, according to dermatologists and research from Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins. To make a gentle bay leaf oil, crush about 5 to 6 dried bay leaves and steep them in 100 milliliters, about half a cup, of extra virgin olive oil. Leave the mixture covered in a cool, dark place for 24 to 48 hours. Then strain it through a clean cloth. You can lightly dab a few drops on your neck or hands before bedtime, but only after testing it on a small patch of skin for 24 hours to ensure no irritation. Think of it as a natural moisturizer, not a miracle serum. Some people also enjoy bay leaf steam. Add 3 leaves to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and let the steam open your pores for a few minutes. The aroma can be soothing, and the steam helps cleanse your skin naturally. Avoid using undiluted bay leaf oil or strong teas directly on the face. They can cause irritation or allergic reactions, especially in sensitive or mature skin. If you'd like to drink bay leaf tea for general wellness, use only 1 or 2 leaves steeped in hot water for 5 minutes. Bay tea has mild digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits, but it won't rebuild collagen or reverse aging. Always talk with your doctor first, especially if you take blood thinners or blood pressure medications like amlodipine. Healthy skin comes from consistent daily habits, not shortcuts. Protect your skin from the sun, eat protein-rich foods for collagen support, and use dermatologist-approved moisturizers with ingredients like retinoids, vitamin C, or hyaluronic acid. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's trying to age gracefully, and subscribe to Senior Health Guard for more science-backed ways to stay strong, active, and confident after 50. In our next video, we'll explore the truth about collagen supplements, what works, what doesn't, and how to support your skin from the inside out.